Hello. You're a businessman or have some interest in the business world. You're probably familiar with the term accounting, or have some questions like how does a firm determine the exact amount of loss and profit? Or how does it preserve its financial rights and assets? And if you're a manufacturer, how to price a product? What does a person rely on when deciding whether to invest in one company over the other? The answers for these questions might sound simple, but not exactly. If you want to answer these questions correctly and professionally, you might need an accountant. Hello again. This is Sahil Qassas. I am an accountant at a travel and tourism agency. So, what is accounting? Usually, accounting is understood as the language of business. However, a business may have a lot of aspects which may not be of a financial nature. Such a better way to understand accounting could be to call it the language of financial decisions. The better the understanding of the language, the better the management of financial aspects of living is. Many aspects of our lives are based on accounting. For example, personal financial planning, investments, loans, income tax, etc. But we shall limit our scope of discussion to a business organization and the various financial aspects of such an organization. Accounting can be defined as a system meant for measuring business activities, processing information into reports, and making the findings available to decision makers. The documents which communicate these findings about the performance of an organization in monetary terms are called financial statements. Accountants must present an organization's financial information in clear, concise reports that help decision makers make effective decisions. General uses of accounting information, or in other words, how it could be used, or who might use it. Accounting information serves many purposes. Apart from revealing the level of performance, it throws light on the causes of weakness and deviation from plans. Also, it can provide insight on ongoing or expanding current business operations. Furthermore, business owners often review financial information to determine how well their business is doing. Consequently, effective decisions require accurate, reliable, timely information. The need for quantity and quality of information varies with the importance of the decision that has to be taken by users of accounting information. And this asks the question, who are the users of accounting information? Here is a list of various users of accounting information, but are not limited to. Misconceptions about accounting. We will discuss some of the most common misconceptions about accounting and accountants. Accounting is boring. Here's the reality. Yes, it might be boring with some people, but in order to understand there are transactions behind your business, you have to learn the language of business, which is accounting. Accountants will be replaced by machines and software. This only counts for a small fraction, like data entry type of jobs, where the bulk of most accounting jobs will require accountants to be behind the software, implementing, troubleshooting, and designing the software. I can do my books by myself. And you know what? You probably can. Ignore the cost element for the moment. Why are you doing it yourself? Is your business doing so well that you have so much spare time that you can devote it into recording historical transactions? If not, how is this going to help you bring in more sales? Not forgetting that if you're not qualified or inexperienced, it might be more of a hindrance. You may have a camera on your smartphone, but it doesn't make you a photographer. If you got this far, I would like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.